Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Yamaha R6 I want to show you. This bike is just in beautiful condition. It's got under 1,000 miles on it. Beautiful black, charcoal, gray color with gold anodized upper forks and rims. Dual front disc brakes, inverted forks. Excellent tire. The bike is just in beautiful shape. That may be a little tiny little scratch right down here. Might be another little, like just a tiny little hairline scratch there. 600cc liquid cooled inline 4 with a 6-speed transmission, monoshock design, set up for 2-up riding. Excellent tire on the rear disc brake. There was a little spot over here that I saw. It's just a little rub. Looks like something may have bumped into it and just scraped the paint there, but the body's not cracked or any damage at all on the body. It just looks great. Right here there might be just looks like a little tiny rub right there on that edge. She's a beauty. Might be a tiny little speck right there. I'm being real picky on this. What I'm showing you, you can't even see it unless you get up really close to the bike. It's got 954 miles. Pops right off. We ran it through the shop, checked it out, service safety checked and inspected, so it's ready for you to burn up some pavement on this thing. Runs great. I just got through riding it. No engine noise, no smoke. I mean, it's like new. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some good financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.